everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with a Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 18 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. For those of you who do not know, this is an advent calendar that Missouri Star Quilt Company puts out every year for the last couple of years now. We have done days 1 through 17 on our YouTube here, so go ahead and check those out. And if you want to continue seeing content just like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. All right, let's go ahead and see what day 18 has in store for us. Okay, let's see. Feels a little heavy. Aya thinks it's fabric. She's not wrong. We got another charm pack. Okay, this one has, let's see, 42 squares, 5 inches. This one is Riley Blake Designs Bellissimo, which is by My Mind's Eye. Okay, and I will go ahead and put a little thing up here to show you what's in here. For those of you who do not like to view the fabrics, go ahead and scroll on past now. You can scroll to our question of the day. But I'll go ahead and go through these fabrics with those of you who do like to go through them with me. Okay, I have not seen this line before, so. But these are kind of like hunter greens. These are very like 90s fabrics and colors in my opinion. Okay, so there's really not a lot of different fabrics or colorways in this line, I'm realizing. I've seen other lines have a lot more than that, maybe even like double the amount of prints. But anyway, that's fine. So there's that Bellissimo, I believe it was. Yep, from My Mind's Eye. And our question for today is, what is your favorite beach in the United States? You guys all know that mine is Cape May, but I would love to hear what yours is. Maybe give me some future vacation plans. All right, let me know down below in the comments what you thought of our gift for today, as well as your favorite beach in the United States. Or I guess honestly it could be any other country, because I'm definitely have plans to travel someday with the kids when they're a little bit older. All right, I will see you tomorrow for day number 19. Bye everybody.